Hi, I'm Gabe. For this problem, we're given two matrices, A and B, and we're asked to show that B is the inverse of A. So in order to show that B is the inverse of A, we want to show that A times B is equal to the 2 by 2 identity matrix, and we want to show that this is also equal to B times A. So to get started, let's first consider A times B and try to show that this is equal to the identity matrix. So here we have our matrix A, B. We'll write down our matrix A, which is 3, 2 in the first row, and 1, 4 in the second row. Now matrix B has this constant 1/10 out in front of it, and since we can move these constants through the matrices, let's just write the 1/10 right out in front of our matrix A, and then we'll write down the next matrix, which is 4, -2, -1, and 3. So now we'll go ahead and we'll multiply our matrices. So in the first row, first column, we'll have 3 times 4, which is 12, plus 2 times -1, so -2. In the first row, second column, we'll have 3 times -2, which is -6, plus 2 times 3, which is 6. In the second row, first column, we'll have 1 times 4, which is 4, and we'll be adding 4 times -1, or subtracting 4. And finally, in the second row, second column, we'll have -2 times 1, which is -2, plus 4 times 3, which is 12. Now going ahead and simplifying, this is equal to 1/10. 12 minus 2 is 10. -6 plus 6 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. And -2 plus 12 is 10. And here, since we're multiplying this matrix by a 1/10, we can multiply each entry in the matrix by 1/10, which leaves us with the matrix 1, 0, 0, 1, which is our identity matrix. So we found A times B, but we also need to show that B times A is equal to the identity matrix. So let's go ahead and let's find B times A. So here I'll write down my matrix B, which is 1/10, and then we have 4, -2, -1, 3, and our matrix A, which is 3, 2, 1, 4. Now here we can begin by multiplying our matrices. So we have 4 times 3 is 12, and -2 times 1 is -2. We have 4 times 2 is 8. And here we're adding -2 times 4, which is the same as subtracting 8. In the second row, second column, we have -1 times 3, which is -3, plus 3 times 1. And in the second row, second column, we have -1 times 2, which is -2, plus 3 times 4, which is 12. Now this simplifies to 1/10. 10 in the first row, first column, 0 in the first row, second column, 0 in the second row, first column, and 10 in the second row, second column. And again, because we're multiplying this matrix by a 1/10, we'll multiply each entry in the matrix by 1/10, which leaves us with the matrix 1, 0, 0, 1. which is equal to our identity matrix. So what we have is we have that the matrix A times B is equal to our identity matrix, and our matrix B times A is also equal to our identity matrix. So B is the inverse of A. Thank you.